This may be one of the final broadcasts we are able to deliver. Global temperatures have now stabilized at approximately negative 138 degrees Fahrenheit, with several regions falling even lower. Emergency services have ceased operations in most regions. Power grids have failed across multiple continents. Communication networks are becoming increasingly unstable. Scientific consensus now confirms that without immediate reversal of the current atmospheric conditions, human extinction is not a possibility anymore, it is an outcome.
At these temperatures, the human body cannot maintain core heat for more than a few minutes without industrial-level protection. Even indoor survival windows are shrinking.
If you are still watching this, please remain with your loved ones. Stay together. You are not alone.
We know you were part of the override team. You set the parameters.
Millions are already dead. Billions will follow.
You built the system. You just lost control of it.
You think this ends with you? We've already identified your team, handlers, and your family.
You don't get to be the man who froze the world and walks away proud. You don't get that ending.
ITS, not a code, ITS a phrase. You won't find it in the system. You have to understand IT.
Understand what? We don't have time for riddles, man.
Why we did it?
Trisemantic pairing, he said phrase not code.
We're running every known ideological phrase tied to Iron Sentinel doctrine.
Nothing matches. This isn't normal encryption. This is intent-based.
Think like them. What would they believe that justifies this?
What control isn't protection, control is oppression. Try that.
We have control.
Do we spike it?
No. We bring it back slowly. Set it to natural temperature curve. No sudden jumps. No shock to the system.
This is a special weather statement issued by the National Weather Service for the state of Florida and surrounding regions. A rapid and sustained increase in temperature has been detected following an extreme and prolonged cold event. Temperatures are rising from previously recorded levels of negative 100 degrees Fahrenheit and below, with continued upward trends expected. This temperature shift is intentional and controlled, but may still pose significant risks to life and property. Residents are advised to remain indoors at this time. Do not exit shelters until conditions have stabilized and official guidance has been updated. Due to the rapid thawing process, the following hazards are to be expected. Structural weakening of buildings and roadways. Sudden ice breakage and falling debris. Flash flooding in low-lying and urban areas. Power grid instability and potential outages. Burst pipes and infrastructure failure. Emergency services are available but extremely limited. Response units are currently monitoring the situation and assessing damage. You may observe unmarked federal and military personnel operating within your area. These units are part of ongoing emergency response efforts. Do not approach. Follow all instructions given by authorized personnel. Residents are reminded to conserve energy and heating resources during this transitional period. Sudden temperature changes may place additional strain on already compromised systems. Continue to avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. Road conditions may be unstable or unsafe due to rapid environmental changes. If your structure has sustained damage due to freezing conditions, relocate to the most stable interior area available and await further instruction. Reports indicate that environmental stabilization is currently in progress. It is predicted that temperature normalization will occur gradually to prevent further harm. Do not attempt to leave designated safe areas until conditions are confirmed stable. Continue monitoring official channels for updates. Additional information will be provided when it is available.